Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to disable auto night mode on an iPhone camera. The iPhone's camera automatically turns on the night mode when it detects low light, making flash unusable. If it's annoying you, here's how you can disable auto night mode in the camera on iPhone. So let's see how to disable night mode in camera on iPhone. Apple makes night mode available on iPhone 11 and higher. Also, the iPhone needs to turn running iOS 14 or later. First, launch the camera app on your iPhone. Tap on the night mode icon on the top left corner. The slider for controlling the night mode will show up above the capture button. You can turn the slider to the left to turn off the night mode. You can save this action as permanent so that the night mode doesn't turn on every time you open the camera. For that, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Camera. Select Preserve Settings. Toggle on the switch for night mode. You can close the Settings app. Now you can take great photos at night or in low light without worrying about the night mode switching on automatically. So that's it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.